Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you again. In this lesson I'm gonna teach you how to solve your Rubik's Cube faster. Also, I will show you two problems that my students face when solving a cube. Interested? Keep watching. I invite you to my website rubikscubekids.com. It's free tutorial for kids how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this course you will get the easiest method, especially for beginners. Just 8 steps, layer by layer, no complicated formulas, video lessons and simple schemes only, always available for you on our website. I'm gonna show you one more variant how to solve a white cross. I hope you remember that in the second stage we get a correct white cross on the first layer. White cross over here and the second part of the white edges also matches the centerpiece color. First of all, let's solve the white cross. The first edge is ready. The second edge is ready. The third edge is ready. And the last edge is done. Please, don't worry about the white corners at this moment. Okay, I've got a white cross. What now? If you have already kept in your mind all the schemes, the algorithm from step 6 helps you at this moment. Let's take a look at the scheme step 6. We have the same situation at the moment. We will use the algorithm and the second part of the white edges will also match their centerpiece color. Rotate the top layer and get at least one right edge. Hold the cube that the correct edge should be in front of you. Let's do the algorithm step 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check the cube. Now we have two correct edges which are next to each other. Hold the cube that one correct edge is on the right and the second correct edge should be here. Now we need to do the algorithm one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, if you rotate your top one more time to the left, let's check the cube. The white cross is on the top and the second part of the white edges also matches the centerpiece color. The next way solving a white cross helps you in the future if you're going to learn a Friedrich method. Take the cube, the yellow center should be on the top. You have to remember that the red center always opposite orange and green opposite blue. Remember this and you will spin the cube less. So, I'm going to solve the white cross from the position yellow is on top. Take a look over here, white-green edge. But we already know that green is opposite blue. It's very simple case. Just rotate the bottom layer to the green side. Let's see what happened. This white-green edge is correctly solved. The next one is a white-orange edge. But we remember that the orange center is on the left. So we just turn it and then send it to the bottom. Let's see the result. The white-orange is solved correctly. As you can see, the blue edge is good. We just turn it to bottom. Let's look at another edge. Let's take the red edge, right side up, top to the left. Now the red edge with the red center. Now we have to return the green edge. And we turn the white-red edge to the bottom. Let's check. The white cross is done and the second part of the white edges also matches the centerpiece color. Let's take a look at the next situation. Step 4. If you need to swap these edges, you can apply the next algorithm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see, these edges are in the correct place now. As you remember step 5, we solved the yellow cross. There were 4 stages: dot, corner, stick, and finally a yellow cross. Now I will show you how to immediately get a yellow cross from a yellow corner. I will be applying the same algorithm, but the first and last actions will be improved a little bit. Take the cube as shown. In the first action, we have to turn the front side with the middle layer together, clockwise, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth action, we need to return front side with the middle layer together, counterclockwise. So, the yellow cross is done. Often my students tell me about the problems. I will show you the problem in step 8, where we flip the corners of the yellow layer. They do the algorithm, but the Rubik's Cube is not solved. Look at this situation. This yellow corner is done. Next one. This corner is done. Next one. This corner is done. Next one. This corner is done, but the Rubik's Cube is unsolved. There is no algorithm to solve this problem. It means that the corners of your cube are upside down. What you need to do? After the 7th step, you simply twist the corners as shown. Then mix up the cube, use our algorithms and try to solve it again. I'm sure everything will be okay. One more possible problem you can get in step 5. If the after stick you don't get a yellow cross and it looks like a letter T, there is no algorithm to solve this problem. You should fix this problem as shown. Then mix up the cube, use our algorithms and try to solve it again. I'm sure everything will be okay. As always, you can find this lesson and the necessary schemes for it on our website rubikscubekids.com. If you have any problems with solving the Rubik's Cube, ask me the questions in our Telegram channel. I will be happy to help you. The link is below and on my website. If you completed our course and solved the Rubik's Cube, please don't shy. Do a post on the social network, tag us and take your place as a student on our website. Do not forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.